see in MAT exam, this data analysis and sufficiency section, how to score certain things very easily. Okay, which one you should never miss. Okay, so this is a general pattern of MAT exam: language comprehension, critical reasoning, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, economic and business environment. All the 5 sections have equal weightage. Okay, this economic and business environment is also counted towards the composite score. Okay, so now if you want to experience the test, you can take this short sample test. Okay, it's a free test. This will help you to know the difficulty level of MAT, the sections, the question types and all. The link is there in the description. You can try this test. Okay, now coming to this section, data analysis and sufficiency. These are the 3 question types usually you get. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, graph means there will be any kind of graph like a bar graph, pie chart, or a line graph, or just a table. Okay, based on that questions are asked. Okay, there can be in one set there can be 4 to 5 questions. Okay, and you can have about 20 questions for graphs. And then data sufficiency. Data sufficiency is 5 questions and quantity comparing is 5 questions. So today we are going to see this category, quantity comparing. Okay, this is a one easy set, 5 questions. You can make it very easily for this section. Okay, you should never miss this. Okay, so remember, whenever you go to data analysis and sufficiency, never miss this quantity comparing questions. These 5 questions are generally easy ones, and it takes very less time as well. So you get 5 questions for this. Okay, and they are easy ones, and it has a standard 4 answer choices. Understanding the answer choices helps you to answer the questions more easily. Okay, so this is the these are the 4 answer choices. Okay, like you will be given column A, column B. Okay, you should compare these 2 columns. You have to find the value for column A, you have to find the value for column B. Based on that, you should pick one of these answer choices. Okay, like if quantity in column A is greater, then your answer is A. Then quantity in column B is greater, your answer is B. If both the quantity values are equal, then the answer is C. If you cannot find out which is greater, or you got stuck for one, you are not getting a value, you are getting in terms of variable, you cannot find out the value, then you will go for choice D. Okay, if the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. These are the 4 answer choices, but this can be slightly shuffled also. Sometimes this A and B is interchanged. Okay, somewhere this can be shuffled. Okay, but these are the standard 4 answer choices you get for comparing quantities questions. We'll see the sample questions one by one. See, x and y are prime numbers and x plus y is equal to 12. So column A is the product of x and y, column B is 38. Okay, now you have to find out the value of x and y based on the given information. Then you have to find out the product of xy and compare it with 38. Okay, like for example, see what can be the values of x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, and both should be prime numbers. Like for example, if I take 1 and 11, this is 12, but 1 is not prime number, so this doesn't fit. Next, I can put 2 plus 10. Now in this case also the sum is 12, but this also doesn't work because they are not prime number. Okay, likewise you have to keep writing the options. Okay, 3 plus 9, this also doesn't work because 9 is not prime. Okay, then 4 plus 8, okay, this also doesn't work. Next, 5 plus 7, this works. Okay, you can see the sum is 12 and 5 and 7 are prime numbers. Okay, now column A is xy, that is 5 into 7, which is 35, and you have to compare it with 38. Now clearly column B is greater, so your answer is column B is greater. Okay, likewise you get mostly easy questions only in this comparing quantities. If you know the basic math and some basic formula, we'll be able to do this. Okay, we'll do 2 more questions. So Lisa drew 117 miles between 8:30 am and 10:30 am without stopping. Find the average speed and compare it with 50 miles per hour. So average speed is usually calculated as total distance, okay, divided by total time taken. Okay, this is the formula. So like this, if you know the basic formula, you can handle most of these questions. So total distance is 117 and total time taken is 2 hours. If you divide this, it is definitely more than 50. So the answer is A is greater. Okay, now we'll see one more question for this. In case if you're looking for the March exam and if you need any support for MAT, you can reach out to us. Okay, we have crash course, test series, current affairs, notes, everything. Okay, so let us see this last question. Rob received an allowance. With 1/5 of the money, he bought a ticket to a movie. With a quarter of what's left, he bought a slice of pizza. Okay, price of the movie ticket, price of the pizza slice. Okay, now there is no number given at all. So in such case, we can assume a number, maybe 100 rupees he got as an allowance. Okay, and in that 1/5 of 100 he spent for the movie ticket, which is 20 rupees. Now to find out how much is left out. Left out is 80. Okay, in that for pizza, how much he spent is one quarter. Quarter means 1/4 of what is left. Okay, so 1/4 of 80, which is 20. So movie ticket is also 20. Slice of pizza is also 20, which means both are equal. Equal means the answer is C. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the comparing quantities questions. Never miss out these 5 questions. Okay, because these are the easy ones compared to all the other things in this section. Okay, so if you need any support, you can reach out to us, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, bye.